Well, nothing beats the smell and taste of fresh baked bread, and it only has to take 5 minutes of your day to achieve great results, believe it or not. Jeff Hertzberg and Zoe Francois, very fancy, have updated their successful best-selling cooking book, The New Artisan Bread in 5 Minutes a Day. You actually have some new recipes in the new book. I do want to point out, the first book came out in 2007?
That's
2006.
2007.
Right.
We were your first media stop.
First stop.
Our first TV appearance.
So we launched your career,
You did.
so to
You
speak.
did all of it. That's right.
500,000 copies that you've sold since then. That is absolutely
That's right.
incredible. And you have an update to the book right now.
That's right. There are
Recipes.
35 new recipes, there are 130 new pages. We've got bread you can make in a crock pot, more whole grain, and a whole chapter of gluten-free, which I heard you're interested in.
Yes, absolutely. And gluten-free is really taken off, so that's
It
very
is.
timely.
We know some of our readers want it. We want to be able to have everybody making the bread.
Well, this all looks delicious. You have the whole spread laid out for
We
us.
do.
What are we going to be making today?
Well, we're going to make the basic recipe, which we barely changed from the first book. So it's 3 cups of water. The recipe, by the way, is on the back of the bags of gold medal flour, which we're very proud of.
Oh.
Tablespoon and a half of yeast, of salt, tablespoon of yeast. Mix that around barely, but not very carefully, and dump in 6.5 cups of flour. And you just dump it and stir it as quickly as you can, and you don't have to knead this ever.
Okay.
It's a no-knead method, but what makes ours different is that we store ours in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. This will sit on the counter for 2 hours, and then it goes into the refrigerator.
Gotcha.
And that's really it. It kneads itself because it's wet dough and sitting in the fridge. And Zoe can make just about anything from this, which is going to get much more attractive than this. Just sitting in the fridge.
So that's the base, and then what do we do with it, Zoe?
Well, so he's mixed this up, and it's sort of this gloppy mess, and it sits for about 2 hours. And then I'm just going to really quickly sprinkle some flour over the top, and it's not to incorporate, it's just so that when I reach in there, it's not going to stick. And now you can see I have this great gluten, which gives it the stretch and the rising power, and it does it all on its own just by sitting there. And 20 seconds, I'm just going to form a ball, and I'm going to rest it on a pizza peel that has a little bit of cornmeal on there, and then I'm going to take a serrated knife. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit more flour.
Let it
I'm
sit
gonna-
first.
Yep, I'm going to let this sit for about 40 minutes, up to an hour and a half, depending on how patient you are. And then I'm going to just cut this like this after it's had a chance to rest. And then I have a preheated baking stone in the oven, and I'm going to slide that loaf right onto the baking stone, and that's it. And it's going to rise up, and it's going to look just like this beautiful bowl over here.
What I love about your recipes, too, you don't need a bread machine.
No.
You can do it in the oven or
So
even in a
much
crock
easier.
pot.
And
Yeah.
actually, I have a loaf all set up for you there, and if you just do what I just did,
Yeah.
but then lower that into your crock pot, just put
Just
it
on a
right
piece
in
of
there. Yep.
paper.
Lower it right in, put the lid on, and turn that on, and it will bake up in about an hour. It depends on your crock pot, but it takes about an hour, and you have a beautiful loaf of bread.
That is so fantastic, Jeff and Zoe. I wish we had more time to chat, but let's point out the new book one more time. The New Artisan Bread in 5 Minutes a Day. A lot of new recipes to check out here. And you're going to be holding some baking classes at Cooks of Crocus Hill in St. Paul coming up this Wednesday. That's from 6 to 8 o'clock. You can register and find details on care11.com. You also have a book signing coming up. We'll put all of those details at care11.com. I also want to mention, you both live here in Minneapolis.
Yes, we do.
So when you buy the book, you're supporting locals. So thanks for being with us.
Yeah,
Jeff and Zoe.
thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
Pat is in the backyard.